Hi guys! At dahil mahilig nga kami sa biglaang lakwatsa, bigla na lang namin naisipang pumunta sa National Museum. Kaya tara! May National Museum of Natural History, National Museum of Anthropology, pero dito muna namin kayo ipapasyal sa National Museum of Fine Arts. Actually guys, free entrance naman, need lang ng ID at magsulat sa visitor's logbook nila. Grabe guys, sobrang laki. Spolarium. And on the other side, Spolarium is a painting by Juan Luna, a Filipino artist that depicts the aftermath of a Roman gladiator fight. The painting is considered a national treasure of the Philippines and is on display at the National Museum of the Philippines. Larawan, litrato. Ay, hanapin natin dito yung napaka-MJS. Yung napaka-MJS na picture. Ay, dito, eto yata. Eto guys, yung napanood namin sa KMJS na may kamukha. May nag-tour dito na taga Davao ata yun. Tapos, napansin niya, kamukha niya yung nasa picture. Eto na yun, yung nasa KMJS. May makakarating kami dito. Alright. At syempre guys, hindi dito mawawala ang obra ng mga sikat na artist tulad nila Juan Luna, Fernando Amorsolo, ang Kyokok, Malang at marami pang iba. Ang nakakalito, no? Parang hindi mo lahat siya mapupuntahan. Sobrang daming rooms. Nakakaligaw na. Naliligaw na ako. Saan may babalik? Wow, ganda. Made of woods. Dito sa National Museum in Manila has wood carvings by Jose Alcantara and Guillermo Tolentino. It is 50 feet relief sculpture. The wood carving shows a continuous scene where Christians and Muslims are doing their own festivities while staying connected to each other.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Kaya lang parang feeling ko talaga may moment. Sorry na po. Gala-gala kami.
Gala!
Tapos, pumunta kami dito sa National Museum. Ganda dito.
Guys, parang mahirap siyang ikutin ng half day lang. Siguro buong whole day. Sobrang daming rooms. Tapos nasa second floor pa lang kami. Meron pa siyang third floor. So, let's see kung may ikot namin time check is 4:30 p.m.
At sobrang laki nito. Tapos sobrang niya, sobrang laki. Sobrang laki talaga. Sobrang laki.
The old session hall of the Senate of the Philippines, created by Act of the United States Congress on August 29, 1916, was inaugurated at the Intendential Building in Intramuros, Manila on October 16, 1916. The Senate has held its session in this historical hall since 1926. Walk-in visitors are accepted. For groups of 20 persons and above, make an advance booking at the National Museum of the Philippines website. Book a tour tab at least 5 days prior to the day of the planned visit. Same-day booking will not be entertained. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.